Hello everyone, our topic for today's video is all about finding the center, its key, and radius r of a circle. Now we have two examples on the board. The first one we have x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. And the other one is x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. So let us start with our number one example. So we're going to solve it here. So basically, number one, we're going to rearrange the given, and then we complete the square. We transpose those constants on the other side of our equation. So we will have this one plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. Now, what we're going to do is, we have to isolate, or we have to group all x values, and we also have to group all y values, or y variables. So what will happen is, we're going to group all x. So we have x squared, then we have plus 4x, then we add the group of y squared together with negative 6y. And then we have here 12. We need to put that one on the other side. So this will become equal to negative 12. Now, next step is we're going to complete the square. So we have x squared plus 4x. We're going to complete the square of this quadratic trinomial. Now this will become x squared plus 4x. To get what is our third term here, we need to divide 4 by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then we square the quotient. So 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, and then next we're going to complete the square of this one also. So this will become y squared minus 6y. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and then 3 times 3 is 9. So we're going to add 9 to basically complete the square. Then equal to negative 12. Now remember, we added 4 and 9. So what we're going to do is, we do the same on the other side. We're going to add 4 and 9. Next is, we're going to get the factor of this one. So x squared plus 4x plus 4 is basically equal to x plus 2 squared. And then, plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 basically is equal to y minus 3 and then squared. Equal to negative 12 plus 4 plus 9, that is 1. So we have 4 plus 9 is 13, negative 12 plus 13. We have negative 12, 4 and 9 is 13. So the difference between negative 12 and 13 is 1. So that is 1. So now we have, remember, 1 here is our r squared. And then 2 is our h. Remember, since we have positive here, it means to say that our h is equal to negative 2. And our key here is equal to positive 3. How about our radius, which is r squared? So r squared is equal to 1. So basically we have r is equal to the square root of 1. Which is, square root of 1 is 1. Therefore, our radius is equal to 1. That is how you solve for finding the center, h key, and getting your radius r. So in this example number 1, we have our h key is negative, h is negative 2, key is equal to positive 3. Therefore, we have our coordinates of our center. So we have negative 2 and 3. And then our radius is equal to 1. So this is our circle. Okay. This is H key and this is our radius R. Negative 2, 3 is our H key. Our center of our circle. Next, we're going to proceed with number 2. Okay? Basically, I need to erase this one to proceed with our number 2. Next, we have number 2. So we'll just copy it here. Number 2. So we have x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. So let's erase this one. Okay, the same with what we have done in our example number 1. We're going to group all x's or all values of x, and we need to group all values of y. So this will become x squared, and then we have plus 4x plus all the values of y. So we have y squared and negative 4y. Since we have negative 1 here, so we're going to put that 1 on the other side of our equation. So that will become equal to, instead of negative, when we transpose, it will become positive 1. Next step is to complete the square. We have x squared plus 4x. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And then the square, 2 times 2 is 4. So we need 4 to complete the square. Plus, next we have y squared minus 4y. Still we need to complete the square. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 4. And then equal to 1. Since we added 4 and another 4, so we're going to add 2, 4. Now get the factor of this one. X squared plus 4x plus 4, that is basically equal to x plus 2 and then squared plus factor of this one, that is y minus 2 squared equal to 1 plus 4 is 9. Now, so as you can see, we have the h and the key. So our h key, the center of our radius, is equal to, we have h, since it is positive, therefore it is negative 2. Okay. So we have negative 2, and our key, since it is already negative here, so therefore it is positive. Positive 2. What happened with my chop? Then next we have, remember 9 here is our radius, so that is, basically 9 here is our r squared. So r squared here is our 9. Therefore, r is equal to, what is the square root of 9? That is 3. So we're going to use the principal root, which is positive 3, because we don't use negative as our radius. So that's all. Hope you like my video all about finding the center of a circle, h key, and the radius r. See you next time.